In this video, I will show you how to block a Facebook page on laptop PC. Open up Facebook, log into your account, go find the page you want to block. I will find a random page to block for this tutorial. Open up their homepage. Push on these three dots. Press block. It says, Insider Tech will no longer be able to see your posts on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, or message you. Press confirm. Press close. Let's check to see if that page was blocked. We have successfully blocked Insider Tech. And that's how you do it, guys. How to block a Facebook page on laptop PC.